Alright, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video to this channel, and today we have an unboxing right here. Brand new box, just came in yesterday, haven't opened it because I wanted to wait for this video right here. We have a pretty special pair of sneakers in here that I've been trying to get for a while now, and I finally pulled the trigger and got them. And yeah, as you guys can see, I'm kind of like sitting down this time instead of standing up. You can kind of see the posters up there, but I need to get something to cover this white space right here, because yeah, you know, I didn't feel like standing up today. We have a special pair of sneaks that I'm actually excited to finally have in my collection. Now I lost my knife, so we're just going to use this tape cutter thing. Hopefully it works. Alright, so what we have in here, got the tape off. We're just gonna unfold the box right here. You guys can already kind of see the box. Bam. Alright, let me just get it out of the box real quick, like so. That's that, nothing else in there. Put that to the side, and here we have the shoe box right here. You guys can you guys see that right there, Nike in that like kind of like corduroy print right there. Red Nike box, Nike on the side, Nike right there, Nike right there with that like print on it. And then obviously you get your size tag right there, and I did go 8.5 on these because I heard that if you go true to size, you have a lot of room in the shoe, so go down half. I went down half a size just because. And let's open it up, and it says more air. If you know, you know what kind of shoes these are. More air. Let's read it. More air. For the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 1, 12 revolutionaries were invited. I see what they did there. Were invited to design the future of air. The first ever Air Max designed by the community for the community. The winner was Sean Wotherspoon. How do you say that? I'm sorry. Sean Wotherspoon, vintage store owner and lifelong Air Max fan, who brought together an Air Max 97 upper and the iconic Air Max 1 midsole and outsole. Like the corduroy Nike hats of the 80s that inspired them, they were made to wear and designed to fray. The more you wear them, the better they get. Nike. That was like a whole summary right there. And I did get these shoes from StockX. Now we got sticker. We got the person who checked these for me, and we got the receipt. And now I know there's been, you know, things going on, you know, with StockX. This is weird because Sean actually, on, I believe it was like on Instagram, he was talking about how StockX has been selling a lot of fake shoes because, you know, he has a store in LA and in Virginia, and he was saying that they were getting a lot of fake shoes from StockX. And, you know, obviously that started a riot. You know, people were talking here. Every shoe head were, you know, it was just a whole bunch of stories here and there. But yeah, we're not going to talk about that now because, you know, that's a whole different video right there. I can just keep talking about it, but we're not going to do that here. And yeah, so we got the special Nike, what do you call these? Nike tissue paper right here. It just says Nike all over. And then we have the shoes in here. Bam, can you guys see that? Look at that. Let me get them out the box. And here we have it, the Nike Air Max 97-1 Sean Wotherspoon, I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it. Air Max right here. I've been trying to get these on release day. They obviously did a Nike sneaker wrap raffle. I didn't get lucky, I didn't get chosen. And then recently there was a restock, but it was pretty much all the people that voted for this shoe got a second chance pretty much to cop the shoes for retail. And I'm pretty sure I voted for this shoe, but I never got a notification or anything to buy the shoes. So like, I don't know how that worked. And yeah, I know there was a couple other people that voted for the shoe and never got notified for the restock. So yeah, I don't know, didn't get lucky on that. And I finally eventually decided to pull the trigger on these and finally get them. And this is actually my second time seeing these in hand. My local sneaker shop had them, and when I first saw them, I thought they were beautiful. The corduroy all over the upper is just amazing. The Air Max 1 midsole right there with like, I want to say red pinkish air bubble air unit right there. This shoe is just so beautiful, and I know resale on these shoes right now are kind of high. I actually sold a whole bunch of shoes to get this shoe right here. And that's another tip. You know, look at your closet and check, you know, all the shoes that you have, are you gonna wear them all? And that's kind of what I did. I'm like, should I keep this shoe? Am I gonna wear this shoe? And like, I had a lot of DS shoes, so I got rid of a lot of them, and I used that money towards this shoe. And you know, that's kind of like a little tip right there that you can do. Get rid of some of your older shoes to get shoes that you actually want. You got that like dark forest green corduroy. You got purple right there. You got that like light baby blue corduroy. You got that pink corduroy. You got this like light violet purple corduroy. And then this, what is this, like a yellow? Like, it's not like a hardcore yellow, but it's kind of yellow. Corduroy right there. And then the thing I like about this is the pull tab right here. It's kind of like denim, and it says VA to LA right there. And I did do a video, right? I had the baby version of these, but now I got my size. And then on the tongue, you can actually, it has that wave patch, and you can actually take it off, and there's a mini swoosh right there, which is pretty dope if you don't want the patch on there. And then your bottom, you got yellow, blue, that purple, and that pink, which is Air Max 1 bottom. These did come with extra laces. You got purple, you got blue, and you got white, and obviously the ones that it come with, this yellow one. And I believe, all right, no. So these yellow ones have this like metal tips. You kind of see it right there. But then the extra ones don't have metal tips. They're just your regular plastic tips. And I don't know, every time I see people rocking these shoes right here, they always have this yellow laces. I haven't really seen anybody switch the laces out, but I mean, I guess we'll try it, see how they look. And you do get extra patches right there. It's just regular Nike patch right there. You get two of them, one for the left, one for the right shoe. And the thing that I like about this shoe, same thing with like the baby version of these, the toddler version, you have velvet guts in here. Like your tongue is that nice velvet, you know, it's just so soft, that velvet feel on here. and your whole insole is actually kind of like that couch feeling. Look at that. That shit is soft. Soft. It's nice and soft. And obviously you got your patch right there, that smiley face patch. Look at that. Wait, does it change color? You can kind of see it, right? No? Maybe so. I don't know, but that's dope. And it's just a well executed shoe in my opinion. Now I do know Nike's actually doing it again. They're choosing different people to design their own Air Max, and yeah, you guys better vote this time. But yeah, man, finally happy to have this in my shoe. I'm definitely going to be rocking this shoe, and like the box said, this shoe was meant to be worn. Obviously they look nice like this, but I kind of want to see how they look when, you know, they're beat and they start to fray and stuff. So yeah, this is definitely, this shoe right here is probably one of the hypest, most anticipated shoe of 2018, hands down. And I'm just happy to have them in the collection. Had to pay resale, but it's all good. It's all good. And oh yeah, I forgot, you have brown right here. I didn't say that, right? You have brown corduroy right there with that mini yellow swoosh, and on the inside brown corduroy, yellow mini swoosh, and you got that mini blue swoosh right there, which is nice. And I believe it's on the other shoe as well. Yep, brown yellow swoosh, brown yellow swoosh, and then your mini blue swoosh right there. And yeah guys, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.